Hello students, good day to all. Myself Yusuf sir. This is the second video of lines and angles. In this video we are going to solve exercise 6.1. So let us start with the problem number 1. It is given that in the given figure line AB and CD intersect at O. So if you just see, there are two lines AB and CD, they are intersecting at point O. So if you just see that figure, AB and CD, they are intersecting at point O. Then if they are given that if AOC plus BOE, this angle BOE, it is equal to 70 degrees. These two angles, they are equal to 70 degrees. There when you add up, that will be, it is equal to 70 degrees. And angle BOD, it is equal to 40 degrees. They have given this angle it is equal to 40 degrees. We need to find out BOE. What is the measure of angle BOE, this angle, as well as we need to find out reflex of COE. Reflex of COE means angle COE will be this angle. We need to find out reflex of COE means this angle we have to find out. Okay, so let's go for the solution first. Okay, now solution. AB is a straight line, we know that it has been given here. Okay, ray OC, it is standing on the ray OC and OE are standing on it. You see here, now AB is a straight line, OC and OB, they are standing, OE are standing on that line. Okay, we have studied that if rays are standing on a line, then sum of the angles formed by those rays, it should be equal to 180 degrees, because linear pair of angles. So all sum, it will be equal to linear pair of angle. That's why we are going to write angle AOC, this angle, plus angle COE, this angle, plus angle BOE, this angle. Its sum, it is equal to 180 degrees. So we have written angle AOC plus angle COE plus angle BOE, it is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, we have got it. So next, what we are going to write? What will be our next step? So just see there. So we have got both angles. In that given part, they are given. What is the thing they are given? Angle AOC and BOE, they are given. We have got angle AOC and BOE. If you have got that angles, it is equal to 70 degree, what is left? Only COE left. That we are going to substitute it now. Just see, angle AOC plus BOE, we have kept these both at one place. Just see, they have this, we have taken at one side. This is here. Next, what this COE we have taken it separately. What we have done? We have taken it separately. Okay, now if you just see, angle AOE plus BOE plus COE, it is equal to 180. Same thing we have written. Okay, next, in place of AOC plus BOE, we are going to substitute this value. What they are given? This year they are given, it is 70 degrees. So that value we are going to keep in place of AOC plus BOE. That will be equal to 70 degrees. Okay, 70 plus COE, it is equal to 180 degree, it is left. Okay, now just see, AOC plus BOE, just we have written 70 degrees, COE, it is equal to 180 degree. Now if you just take that 70 to this side, it will become minus 70. So COE, it is equal to 180 minus 70 degrees, that is equal to 110 degrees. We have got the value of COE. Okay, but we are not finding COE, we are finding the reflex of COE. So reflex of COE means 360 minus 110. So we have got angle COE 110. Reflex of COE means if we are going to subtract it from 360 degrees, that is equal to 250 degrees. So next, what we are going to find out? BOE. What is the value of BOE? We are going to find out. How to find out the value of BOE? Just see the figure. CD is a straight line. CD is also a straight line. Yes, we have got a straight line. Ray OE and OB are standing on it. Just see, now CD, it is a straight line. OE and OB are standing on it. If they are standing on it, then their linear pair of angles should be equal to 180 degrees. So we are going to write all the three angles, angle COE plus BOE plus BOD. So COE plus BOE plus BOD, it is equal to 180 degrees. So we are going to write it. Now next step, we are going to write what? CD is a straight line, a ray OE and OB stands on it. We have got whatever we have just discussed. OE and OB are standing on CD. Okay, so next step for a linear pair of angles, it should be equal to 180 degrees. We are writing this step, COE plus this plus BOE plus this BOD, it is equal to 180 degrees. We have written this. Next, what are the things we have got? We have got angle COE here. Just see that we have got angle COE equal to 110 degrees. Angle BOE, whether we have got that one? No, we didn't get it, right? BOD, angle BOD, they have given, just see the given data here. Angle BOD, it is equal to 40 degrees. So we are going to keep all those values in place of those values. So we are going to write COE in place of COE, we have written 110. In place of BOE, we have written as it is because we don't know that value. In place of BOD, we have written 40 degrees. Now adding 110 plus 40, that will be equal to 150 degrees. Now if you take it to that side, it will become minus. So BOE, it will be equal to this plus this, it is equal to 150. If you take this side, it will become negative. So angle BOE, it will be equal to 180 minus 150 degree. So next step, we are going to write BOE, it is equal to 150 minus 180 minus 150 degree. So we have got angle BOE, it is equal to 30 degrees. So whatever we needed, we have got those answers. There is the reflex of COE we have got, as well as the answer BOE. So both the answers we have got it here. This completes our first answer. Okay, so this is our first answer. You can pause the video and write down the answers. Okay, now let's move for the second question. So in the second question, we have got in the figure 6.14, they have given this figure, line XY and MN intersect at O. There are two lines, what? XY and MN, they are intersecting at point O. Okay, so they have given one angle, that is angle POY, it is equal to 90 degree. They have given this angle. Okay, now they have given this angle, that is equal to 90 degree. So they have given one more thing there, a ratio of angle A and angle B. Angle A is to B, it is equal to 2 is to 3, means this they have given 2 is to 3, they have given angle ratio. So we need to find out this angle C, they have asked you to find out. So how to find out this? So question arises, what we are going to take first and what we are going to take second. So we have to solve it according to what we have got and what are the things we are going to find out. We need to find out angle C. First we are going to write that one. What we have got, we are going to write it first, then we are going to write what we need to find out. Okay, let us solve the solution. Now solution is, we are given with that what? Angle POY, it is equal to 90 degrees. Given value, it is equal to POY, it is equal to 90 degrees. Next, A is to B, it is equal to 2 is to 3. They have only given it. Okay, both the values they have given here. Okay, angle C we need to find out. Okay, this is the thing which we are going to find out in this diagram. Okay, now next to find out this, what we are going to do, we are assuming that. What we are assuming, let angle A, it is equal to 2x. According to the ratio what they have given, we are going to assume it. Okay, let angle A, it is equal to 2x and angle B, it is equal to 3x, because we don't know what is the actual angle, but we know only ratio. We are taking that here, we are going to assume it. Okay, now we are writing angle A, it is equal to 2x and angle B, it is equal to 3x. Now just see, they are given in the question, they are given that POY, it is equal to 90 degree. So POX, how much it will be equal to? This complete POX, this angle, it will be how much? We know that if it is a straight line, straight angle, it is a 180 degree. In that we have got one POY, it is equal to 90 degree. What will be the other? That will be equal to 90 degrees. So therefore we are going to write angle A plus B, it is equal to 90 degree, because half part of one angle is 90, other angle should be equal to 90 degrees. If you add them both, you are going to get 90 degrees. Okay, so next what we are going to do, we are going to substitute the values what we have taken here. What we have taken, a equal to 2x and b equal to 3x we have got. So a in place of a we are going to keep 2x, and in place of b we are going to keep 3x. So next step it will be 2x plus 3x equals to 90 degrees, right? In place of a we have written 2x, in place of b we have written 3x. If we add both, what it will be, 2x plus 3x, it is equal to 5x, and x equal to 90 by 5. So next, if you divide that one, you are going to get x equal to 18 degrees. Now we have got the value of x. So angle A equal to 2x we have taken, that is equal to 2 into 18. And angle B equal to how much? Angle B it is equal to, we are going to write, angle B it is equal to 3x, 3 into 18, it is equal to 54 degrees. Why we have taken only B, why not angle A? Because we need only B, because see, we need to find the angle C. We know MN is a straight line. MN it is a straight line. We need to find out angle C. If you get angle B, you can find out easily angle C, because MN means MN is a straight line. Angle MOX and XOY it will become XON, it will become a linear pair. So that's why we are taking only angle B, because we need angle B only. So angle B it is equal to 3x, 3 into 18 is equal to 54 degree. If you are writing angle A equal to 2 into 18, that is also fine. There is no problem with it. But we need only B, that's why we are taking 3x. That is 3 into 18, it is equal to 54 degree. In place of x we have substituted 18. So next, now what we are going to do? Now we have got angle B. So we know angle B plus C it is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because they are forming this angle plus this angle will form a linear pair. So therefore we are going to write angle B plus angle C it is equal to 180 degrees. So next step we are going to write it as angle B plus angle C it is equal to 180 degrees. Reason is linear pair. Now we have got angle B plus angle C. In place of angle B we are going to write this value. We have got angle B of 54 degrees. In place of C we are going to keep it as it is. Okay, so next it is, we are going to write angle B it is 54 plus C it is, we are keeping it as it is, we don't know. So it is equal to 180 degrees. Now if you take that 54 to this side, what will happen? It will become minus 54. That's what we are going to write. C equal to 180 minus 54. Now that's answer, it is 126 degrees. If you subtract 54 from 180, that will be our answer. Okay, this will be our answer. We have got angle C equal to 54 degree. We have solved this. Okay, this is the solution for second question. Now we will go for the, you can pause the video and note down this answer. Now we will go for the third question. What is the third question? In the given figure, PQR it is equal to PRQ, and we need to prove that PQS it is equal to PRT. So how we are going to prove this? They are not given any angle, they are just asking us to prove it. So whenever we are going to prove it, we are going to write given things, what are the things to prove, and proof part you are going to write. So how we are going to prove? Let us see how it can be proved. So first thing, we are going to write it as given. What are the things here given? We have given with angle PQR it is equal to angle PRQ. This is the only thing we have got. This second part it is, we need to prove it. Okay, so next, to prove what we are going to write, angle PQS equal to angle PRT, this angle. So they have given what, angle PQR it is equal to angle PRT. Okay, now this angle PQR it is equal to angle PRQ. These two angles are equal. So we need to show that angle PQS it is equal to angle PRT. PQS it is equal to angle PRT. We have to show these two angles are equal. This and this we are going to show. This angle it is equal to this. Okay, PQS it is equal to PRT. How we are going to show? In the proof part, first we are going to write, from the figure we can say that PQS and PQR, just see this PQS and PQR and PQS and PQR, these both angles, this angle and this angle, and also PRQ and PRT. If you just both see there, they are forming a linear pair. How they are forming a linear pair? Now just see, SQR, it is a straight line. In that one ray is standing, then these two angles should be equal to 180 degree, because one ray is standing on a line axiom 1, right? So we are going to write they are forming a linear pair. So this angle plus this angle, it should be equal to 180 degree, as well as this angle plus this angle, it should be equal to 180 degree, because they are forming a linear pair. For what they are forming? Now let's see, they are forming a linear pair. Sum of their angles is it is equal to 180 degree. So from that we are going to write, therefore what we are going to write, so first thing we are going to write PQS plus PQR. This PQS plus PQR, it is equal to 180 degree. We are going to write it as equation 1. Let us write it. What? Therefore angle PQS plus angle PQR, it is equal to 180 degree. We are given it as equation 1. So next what we are going to write, one more thing, it is also there, right? Angle PRQ plus angle PRT. What is that? Angle PRQ plus angle PRT, it should be equal to 180 degree, because they are also lying on the straight line. So therefore linear pair there is also forming. So we are going to write PR angle and angle PRQ plus angle PRT, it is equal to 180 degrees. We give it as equation 2. Now if you observe both the equations, they are equal to 180 degrees. Can we equate them? Yes, we can equate them. From equation 1 and 2 we can conclude that. What we can conclude? We can conclude that, what we can conclude? Angle PQS plus PQR plus angle PRQ plus PRT, they are equal, right? So this part, it is equal to this part. So from equation 1 and 2 we are going to write PQS plus PQR, it is equal to PRQ plus PRT. So we are going to write this one, because just see here, this part, it is equal to this it is equal to this part. Okay, we have written it. Okay, next what we are going to do, what are the things they are given? Just observe, PQR, it is equal to PRQ. This we have got, they are equal. If they are equal, that means they get cancelled, because if this comes, it will become negative, and they get cancelled. What is left? Only PQS, it is equal to PRT, it is left. That's what we are going to write. Therefore PQR, it is equal to PRQ, we have got it given. Now we are going to write it as PQS is equal to PRT, because this get cancelled, this get cancels. Only left is PQS, it is equal to PRT. This is the proof of that solution, or proof of that question. Okay, we have proved it, hence proved. Okay, this is the solution for third question. Okay, let's go for the fourth question. Before that, you have to pause it and write down the solution for it. Okay, we'll go for the next question. Next question is, in the figure 6.16, if x plus y, it is equal to y plus z, then prove that AOB is a line. See, in this they are given this plus this, it is equal to this plus this. We need to prove that AOB is a line. That means this AOB, it is equal to 180 degree we have to show, because the line has angle 180 degree itself. Okay, so we have to prove it. So how we are going to prove? First we are going to write what are the things given here. So we are going to write given x plus y, it is equal to w plus z. We have written it. Okay, so next what we are going to do? We have to write what we are going to prove. So what we are going to prove? AOB is a line. So if AOB is a line, we have to show that AOB, it should be equal to 180 degrees. Okay, so now we are going to prove. So how we are going to prove? We know that along the single point, what is the angle there? If O is the point, what is the angle around it? That angle around it is equal to 360 degree, a complete angle. So we are going to write what all the angles sum, it is equal to 360 degrees. So first we are going to write what we know, that the sum of all the angles around a fixed point is 360 degree, right? We have written it. So sum of all the angles means, which are those angles here? Angle BOC plus angle AOC plus angle BOD plus angle AOD. These all, if you add up, you are going to get 360 degrees. That is the thing we are going to write it here now. Then we are going to write angle BOC plus angle AOC plus angle BOD plus angle AOD. It is equal to 360 degrees. Now what are the things they have given? What for angle BOC they have given X, angle AOC they have given Y, angle BOD they have given, you see, observe here, angle BOC X, then AOC Y, then BOD W, then AOD Z they have given, right? So that is the thing we are going to write it here, one below the other. Yes, see, BOC we have written X, AOC Y, BOD W and AOD Z we have written here. So now next what you are going to do, just see the things what he has given. X plus Y it is equal to W plus Z. Can I write in place of W plus Z, can I write X plus Y? Yes, we can write it. Why? Because they have given what? X plus Y it is equal to W plus Z. Therefore we have writing at X plus Y equal to W plus Z. In this place I am going to write in this place X plus Y itself. So see the next step what I am going to write. X plus Y it is equal to again X plus Y plus X plus Y it is equal to 360 degrees. Why we have written X plus Y there? Because W plus Z it is also equal to X plus Y only. That's why I am writing X plus Y in place of that W plus Z. Now if you just see here, there are 2x and 2 y's. Therefore can I write there 2x plus 2y? Can I write 2x plus 2y? Because 2x plus 2y it is equal to 360 degree. Let's write that one. 2x plus 2y it is equal to 360 degree, right? Now that's same thing. If I take common 2 from x plus y, that is equal to 360 degree. So 2 into x plus y it is equal to 360 degrees. So if I take that to that side, what will it is 2 multiplied here. If it goes to the right hand side, what happens? Divided by. So x plus y it will be equal to 360 divided by 2. So therefore x plus y it is equal to 180 degrees. So if it is 180 degrees, what does that mean? Angle x plus y, what it is showing, this angle plus this angle it is equal to 180 degree. If on a line, if there are sum of two adjacent angles is equal to 180 degree, then it is a line. Which axiom says this? Second axiom says that what? If the sum of two adjacent angles is equal to 180 degree, then it is a straight line. So we are non-common arms. What they form? They form a straight line. That's why we are going to write what? We are going to write x plus y it is equal to AOB. AOB is equal to 180 degree. That is a straight angle. Therefore AOB is a line. Hence we have proved it. Okay. This is the answer for fourth question. So we'll go for the fifth question now. So what is the question? Fifth question they have given in the figure. POQ is a line. They have given that POQ is a line, right? Ray OR is perpendicular to the line PQ. See this OR it is perpendicular to the PQ. P perpendicular means which is at 90 degrees. Okay, so that line OR is perpendicular to PQ. OS is other ray lying between OP. See, OS is one more ray which is lying between OP and OR. Just see that this OS it is lying between OP as well as OR, right? That is what the question is saying. Now we have to prove that this ROS angle it is equal to half of angle QOS minus POS. We have to show this one. Now we are going to show this part. Angle ROS it is equal to half QOS minus angle POS. We have to prove it. So what are the things first we are going to write? Now for what are the things first we are going to write it here. So first thing what we have got, first thing we have to write whatever we have got, then we are going to write what we are going to prove. So first we are going to write given OR perpendicular to PQ. So we have written OR perpendicular to PQ. They have given that OR is perpendicular to PQ, that is equal to 90 degrees. Okay, we have written it. So what we are going to prove now? We are going to prove ROS it is equal to half angle QOS minus POS. This is what we are going to prove. So next what we are going to do, we are going to write a proof. From the figure what we have got, POR and QOR form the linear pair. If you just see POR and QOR, these two angles, whether they are forming a linear pair, yes, because PQ it is a straight line they have given, POQ it is a line they have given. POQ it is a line means their angle sum it is equal to 180 degree. So we are writing angle POR plus angle QR it is equal to 180 degree. Next step we are going to write that one, POR plus angle QR it is equal to 180 degrees. This we have written. So next step what we have got, but we know that one thing we know that, what is that? Perpendicular means angle POR it is equal to 90 degree given. That's what, POR it is equal to 90 degree. If one angle is equal to 90 degree, here just see, if this angle becomes 90 degree, automatically this also will become 90, because 90 if it goes that side, that will become, so that's what we are going to write. POR it is equal to POS plus ROS. Okay, now POR it is equal to POS plus ROS. So just see this angle, this complete POR it is equal to POS, this angle plus this angle. That's what we are writing, POR it is equal to POS plus ROS. We have written the term, right? So we are going to write POR plus ROS. Now what is the next thing what we have to do now? Now we have got one thing, that what is that? ROS and POR we don't know, right? POR we know, what is that? It is equal to 90 degree. That's what we are going to write. POR it is equal to 90 degree, POS plus ROS it is equal to 90 degree. That's what we are going to write the next step. So yes, we have written this POS plus ROS it is equal to 90 degrees. Why? POR it is equal to 90 degree. Okay, next what we are going to do, so ROS, if you just see ROS, if you want to find out ROS, if I take it to this side, that will become negative. That's what we are going to write. So we are going to write ROS it is equal to 90 minus POS. First equation we have written. What? ROS it is equal to 90 minus POS. Give it as equation 1. Now we have written it. Now next, from the figure what we are going to see, POS and QOS form a linear pair. Again just see POS, this POS and this QOS, they are also forming a linear pair. Their sum is also equal to 180 degrees. So therefore we are going to write that one also. So what next step what we are going to write, angle POS and QOS form a linear pair. So if they are forming a linear pair, now can I write angle QOS plus POS it is equal to 180 degree? Let's go for the next slide. Okay, so they are forming a linear pair. So we have seen that these two angles are forming a linear pair. So if you add them both, you are going to see that POS plus QOS it is equal to 180 degrees. So we have written it because they are also linear pair. So what happens if I add half to both the sides? What will happen? Half of, what I'm doing, next step I'm going to do, I'll add half to both the sides. What happens? So I'll take half of QOS plus POS equal to half of 180 is 90 degree. I'll give it as equation 2. Why I am taking half? Because in the proof we are going to prove that half of QOS plus POS, right? So that's what we have taken, half. So half of QOS plus POS it is equal to 90 degrees. So equation 2 it is. Now let us substitute that one in equation 1. Let's substitute equation 2 in equation 1. Now what is equation 2? Equation 1? Equation 2 we got it here. Equation 1 for reference I have just written here. What? ROS it is equal to 90 minus POS. So in place of ROS or in place of 90, can I write this? We are going to substitute in place of half QOS plus POS it is equal to 90 degrees. So can I substitute this value there in a place of POS? Can I substitute that one there? This equation 2 we are going to substitute completely in this equation. On this value we are going to put this in equation 1. How we are going to put it in equation 1? In place of 90, now if here we are having 90, in place of 90 we are going to substitute this value. So to substitute that value, what we are going to do, in ROS it is equal to In place of 90 we are going to write this value. In place of 90 we are writing this value. So half QoS plus PoS it minus what is left, this part we are keeping it as it is. Okay. So we have substituted in place of 90 half QoS plus PoS minus PoS we have written as it is. Okay. Next step, what we are going to do? Next step, if you multiply half to QoS and half PoS, what is left? So ROS it is equal to half QoS plus half PoS. Now what is left? Minus PoS. Now half PoS minus half just PoS, what is the answer? Let's see. Half PoS minus PoS, it will be equal to half PoS minus half PoS, because it is like subtracting half from 1. So similarly half minus 1 it will give minus half. That is what we have written it here. See, this half, this is 1. If there nothing is there, half minus 1 it is a, again if you take LCM, what will happen? This becomes 2, this becomes 2. So 1 minus 2 divided by 2. So minus 1 by 2. So similarly what we have written, minus 1 upon 2 PoS we have written. So in place of this value now we are going to write half PoS. So next step it is ROS it is equal to QoS minus half PoS. Once we simplified this, we have simplified this one, this value we have simplified. So that is equal to half PoS. That's what we are going to written it here. Now we are having half on both the sides. So if you take common there, what is left? Half ROS it is equal to half QoS minus PoS. Hence proved. This is the solution for the 5th question. Okay, this we have to pause the video and write down the answer. We'll go for the last question now. What is the last question? It is given that XYZ it is equal to 64 degrees and XY is produced to point P. Just see the question, what they have given, this angle they have given, and XY it is produced to point P. Okay, XY is extended to point P. Now we have to draw, from the given information we have to draw such a way that the YQ ray should bisect ZYP. Now this is ZYP, this YQ ray will bisect the angles. Bisect means they will divide them equally. Now what we have to find out, we need to find out XYQ and reflex. We need to find out, just see, we need to find out XYQ and reflex QYP. Okay, first we are going to write what are the things given in this question. So first we are writing given XYZ it is equal to 64 degrees. Then we are going to find out XYQ and QYP. So that's what we are going to write. XYQ it is equal to question mark and QYP it is equal to question mark. Now from the figure, if you just see, XYZ and ZYP form a linear pair. XYQ and ZYP will form a linear pair. Right? XYZ and ZYP, they are going to form a linear pair. So that's what we are going to write. XYZ plus ZYP it is equal to 180 degree. Linear pair means sum is 180 degree. That's what we are going to write it now. So from the figure, XYZ and ZYP form a linear pair. That's what we are going to write. What? Therefore angle XYZ plus ZYP it is equal to 180 degree. We have written this plus this it is equal to 180 degree. We have written it. But XYZ equal to question, in the question itself they have given that it is equal to 64 degrees. We are going to substitute. That's what we are going to write. But XYZ equal to 64 degrees. Now we are going to substitute that 64 degree in place of XYZ. So if you place that one in place of XYZ, that is equal to 64 plus ZYP it is equal to 180 degrees. Now if you take that 64 to right hand side, what will happen? It will become minus 64. Now ZYP it is equal to angle how much? 116. 180 minus 64 will give you 116. Now next what we are going to write? Now just see, next the ray, can you see the ray YQ bisecting ZYP? They are given that YQ will bisect ZYP. YQ it will bisect this two angles. It will divide them into two equal angles. Okay. Now if they are divided into two equal angles, we know that QYZ this will become equal to this, QYZ will become equal to QYP, right? Because they are bisecting. So we are writing QYZ it is equal to QYP, and we know that ZYP it is equal to 116. So therefore we are going to write QYZ equal to QIP 116 divided by 2. Why we are dividing by 2? Because it is divided into 2 equal parts, right? That's why we are going to write a QYZ equal to QIP equal to 58 degrees. Now each angle will become 58 degrees, right? So that's what we have written it. Okay, now we have got angle QYZ equal to QIP, that is equal to 58 degrees. Now just see angle XYQ, whether it is equal to QYZ plus XYZ. Just observe XYQ, whether this is equal to this complete angle, whether it is equal to QYZ, this angle plus angle XYZ. This angle plus this angle will give you angle QYX, right? Or XYQ. So we are going to write that one only. Now angle XYQ, it is equal to QYZ plus XYZ. So we have written angle XYQ, it is equal to QYZ plus XYZ. So we know both the values. QYZ, it is also equal to 58 degrees. We have got it here, and XYZ equal to, they have only given that is it is equal to 64 degrees. So we are going to put those both the values here. So we have got 58 plus 64, it is equal to 122 degrees. XYQ, it is equal to 122 degrees. We have got one solution now. XYQ, it is equal to 122 degrees, what they have asked. Now we need to find out reflex of QIP. Reflex of QIP. Now QIP is this one. We need to find out the reflex of QIP, means this angle. Reflex of this Q. Reflex is always found by subtracting it from 360 degrees. So we need to find out reflex of QIP. It is equal to QYP, so 360 minus angle QIP. So when you are subtracting QIP angle, we know QYP it is equal to QYP, it is equal to 58 degrees. So when you subtract 58 from 360, what will happen? 360 minus 58, that will give you 302 degrees. Now this is the solution for your 6th question. You can pause the videos and note it down. Okay, this completes the exercise. In the next video we are going to solve the next exercise and few basics related to that exercise. Thank you.